In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write mini essays in Obsidian with templates, links, and a simple workflow. Mini essays are short, focused pieces, about 1 to 300 words, that develop a single idea with a simple beginning, middle, and end. The goal is speed, clarity, and connection, and Obsidian's markdown tools make that easy. First, let's set up the template you'll use every time. In Settings, open Core Plugins and enable Templates. In your Vault, create a folder named Templates, then add a new note called Mini Essay. Give it a clear structure. Start with a spot for the title so you're prompted to name the piece. Then add 3 sections. The first is the hook or intro, 1 to 2 sentences that spark curiosity and state the premise. The second is the body, where you explain the core idea, add a quick example, and drop wiki links like double bracket links to related notes so the essay joins your knowledge web. The third is the end, 1 to 2 sentences with a takeaway or a small call to action. Back in Settings, point the Templates folder path to your Templates folder and set a handy insertion hotkey, for example, Command or Control plus T. Here's the writing workflow. Use the command palette with Command or Control plus P, choose Templates, insert template, and you're ready to draft. Free write the body first to uncover what you really think, then come back and craft the hook and the ending so everything aligns. Aim for 1 tight paragraph per section to keep it readable. As you write, link concepts using double bracket links, and open graph view to visualize how this essay connects to others. Edit in live preview so you can see headings, links, and formatting as you go. To refine and connect, reorder ideas by moving the sections or headings if the logic flows better that way. Tag the note with hashtag mini essay so you can find and query them later. When a larger note needs this piece, embed it with mini essay so the mini essay appears in context. Review by reading aloud for rhythm and clarity, and if you want to iterate, duplicate the note as a draft and revise from there. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Obsidian tips and tutorials.